In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your salary or hourly rate in Google Sheets and Excel. Whether you're a freelancer, an employee, or a business owner wanting to get a clearer picture of your financials, using a spreadsheet can be a great way to bring it all together efficiently and accurately. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening a new Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet. If you're using Google Sheets, simply go to your Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Sheets. For Excel, just open a new blank spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is ready and open, you're going to select cell E12 by clicking on it. This is the cell where we initiate some of our calculations, providing a central point within the sheet. After selecting E12, you'll want to type in the formula, which is equals E8 plus E9. What this does is it adds the values from cells E8 and E9, which might represent different components of your income, such as base salary and bonuses. Once your formula is typed out correctly, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will complete the calculation, displaying the result right there in cell E12. Next, we need to set up another calculation, so click on cell E13. This will be the cell where you calculate the next part of your income or rate. Here, you'll type in the word highlight, which serves as a label for easy reference later on. Labels help in identifying what each part of your calculation represents, keeping your spreadsheet organized and easy to understand. Moving forward, in cell E13, you'll need to enter another formula. Type in equals E12 asterisk E10. This essentially multiplies the value in E12 by the value in E10, perhaps to calculate a total based on a rate, or to apply a factor like tax or working hours per week. Again, once typed, press the Enter key to complete the calculation. Immediately, you should see the result appear in E13, summing everything up nicely within your spreadsheet. And just like that, you've successfully set up your Google Sheets or Excel document to calculate your salary or hourly rate. Remember to double-check each entry to ensure accuracy, and feel free to adjust the formulas to fit your personal figures or currency format. By organizing your calculations in this way, not only do you streamline the process, but you also build a template that can be reused and adjusted as needed. I hope you find this method both simple and effective for managing your financial planning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.